welcome to CBS Automotive and Cambridge Car Audio. My name is Ardil and I'm really proud to show you another one of our install videos. What we've been working on today is a Porsche 924S. What we've upgraded is the front speakers, we've upgraded the radio as well as the antenna. This customer came into us, and this car came into us with one blown speaker on the left hand side, as well as a radio with reception that wasn't quite performing as it was supposed to. So also the customer wanted functionality for Bluetooth, so Bluetooth streaming as well as better FM reception. What we've gone for is an automatic antenna, which is on the driver's side, which is in the factory location. One of the cool things as well with this is the customer wanted it to be operated off a factory switch in the vehicle. We've also managed to do that and retain that functionality, which is quite nice. So he can drive along, listen to your CDs, your Bluetooth streaming, make a phone call, but not have the antenna up. So a lot of the time the big complaints about wing-mounted antenna is the wind noise that you get from them, especially at higher speeds. So you can drop this down, which is quite nice, so you can still Bluetooth stream and carry on your journey with no wind noise whatsoever. So what we're going to do, we're going to go around to the front of the vehicle to start with, show you where the antenna is. So it's in the factory location, so if you own one of these, you've got poor signal, this is the solution for you. So we've gone for an exact, basically it's a Hirschman antenna, which is in the wing. So we're going to show you that to start with, then we're going to go inside the vehicle, we'll show you the speakers that we've upgraded. So we've taken out the original speakers and put an Audison range in. So they're a 5-inch coaxial speaker. Makes a massive difference to this vehicle, and it's actually more than enough for the age and stuff of this vehicle. So we can do other upgrades for this vehicle, so if you're interested and you own one of these cars, feel free to get in touch with our team. More than happy to help. So the speakers, as you'll see in a second, are actually, you'll see the Audison logo mounted upside down. Reasoning for that is we didn't want to cut away at the door card, and the way the speakers are designed, they wouldn't have fitted in there with you couldn't get a 5-inch in there with the right way around of that particular range. But we could have gone for a 4-inch, but we wanted a 5-inch in there. We managed to do that. The grills are off at the moment, and after that the grills are going to go on, so you're not going to see them at all. But it's just so the factory integrity of the car isn't changed at all, and we can also replace them, put them back into the factory speakers back in if the customer ever wanted to. So we'll step round to the side of the vehicle now, which basically will be showing you the antenna. So it's gone into the factory location. So this is a wing-mounted automatic antenna, and that's operated by the factory switch inside the vehicle. So what we're going to do, we're just going to step inside the vehicle now. We're going to show you the speakers there. Basically, those speakers allow, they're a coaxial speaker, which means the tweeter is built into the actual woofer itself. So they're in the factory location using factory screws even. So it's quite a big upgrade actually in this car. It makes quite a nice difference. They're a stunning speaker range. They run really effectively off the new aftermarket Headunit. So what we've got down here, what we've got is the blown speaker. So as you can see, it's seen better days. So that's the size and stuff of the factory speaker. We've got the old radio there as well. And what we've got here is basically, so this is the factory switch that this customer wanted the antenna off. So when you flick that switch, as you can see up here, you now got radio reception and also an automatic wing-mounted antenna. So, and then drop it down just by that factory switch there again, and it drops down, and obviously signal goes at that point. This unit allows for USB, aux, CD, as well as Bluetooth and Bluetooth streaming. So it adds loads more functionality to the vehicle, and looks really discreet, and it's really easy to use as well. So you've got 6 presets along the bottom, and you've got Bluetooth for hands-free as well. So the little microphone is up near the driver, which is up on the sort of driver's side A-pillar there. So that's a bit of an overview about this particular system. So if you're interested in something like this, feel free to get in touch with our team. Our team are more than happy to help, go through the options. So if you own a Porsche, we've done quite a few upgrades on classic Porsches now. So we've got the 993 video as well, so check that out to see different solutions that are available for your particular car. We also don't just do the audio work, we also do a lot of security work on this particular vehicle as well. So I'll drop all our details below so you've got all of those. But thank you very much for watching our short video. Please make sure you like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get the latest videos as soon as they're uploaded. Thank you very much again for watching, and we look forward to working on your car soon. Thank you.